In front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to hit Sounds and Vibration. Then hit Vibration over here to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you finished, scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone, and adjust vibration sections for SIM1 and SIM2 by clicking on it at the top, and over here selecting None to disable vibration for this card, picking one of those patterns, or selecting Standard Vibration at the top. When you're ready, go back, tap on a notification tone, and hint Vibration at the top to do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Go back again, scroll all the way down, and last but not least, hit More Settings at the bottom to click on those two switches next to Vibration Features. You can tap on this one next to Vibrate when ringing, and this one next to System Haptics. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!